Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Just throw in some lard, tallow, or some olive oil of your choosing. So chuck in 4 eggs and give them a bit of a scramble-ish feel to it. Now that it's scrambled, just set this aside. Yum yum. Now get a food processor and chuck in 300 grams of brown onion. Just process that as a nice little chunk and long. Get your frying pan, chuck in some tallow, lard, oil, olive oil, then turn it on to medium heat and then chuck in your blended onion. Just fry that up, and while that's frying, give it a little stir every now and then, and we'll get on to the next part. Chuck in 600 grams of cauliflower, preferably organic. Transfer the cauliflower into the frying pan and just mix it together. Now you can add a little bit of olive oil. Just eyeball it. It's probably about 20 to 30 mils. And you put in sesame seed oil, like just a teaspoon. Then add some soy sauce, roughly about 2 tablespoons. Just mix all that through. Now get your processor, throw in 40 grams of sweet potato with the skin on, gives extra health benefits. And then throw in 10 grams of turmeric and add 30 grams of ginger, 10 grams of garlic, that's it. Now blend. Then add that straight in. Now add 70 grams of baby peas, now throw in 10 grams of chopped up chilies, then throw in 60 grams of shallots, and try not to laugh when you do it, and then mix it through. Chuck in 80 grams of chopped up mushrooms, incorporate that well. Now put the egg back in and we incorporate that, give it a good mix. And squeeze in a small lemon. All right, so this whole thing is about 1.5 kilos. It's 73 grams of carbs for the whole thing, 16 grams of fiber, so net carbs of 57. And this is 8 servings, so 1 serving is 7 grams of carbs.